Jake Paul. Jake Paul is an American YouTuber, internet personality and professional boxer. His full name Jake Joseph Paul. He is born on January 17, 1997. Early life. Jake Paul grew up in Westlake, Ohio, with his older brother Logan Paul. Logan Paul is also a YouTuber and internet personality. If you want about Logan Paul, check on description. Their parents are Pamela and Stepnick and realtor, Gregory Allen Paul. Paul began his career in September 2013 posting videos on Vine. By the time Vine was discontinued by Twitter Incorporated, Paul had amassed 5.3 million followers and 2 billion views on the app. Entertainment career. He initially rose to fame on Vine, before playing the role of Dirtman on the Disney Channel series Bizaardvark for 2 seasons. Throughout his career, Paul has become the subject of many controversies due to his behavior, including engaging in risky stunts and featuring age-inappropriate material for YouTube, getting fired from his Disney television show Bizaardvark, and being charged with criminal trespass and unlawful assembly. Paul launched his YouTube channel on May 15, 2014. His channel is known for pranks, controversies, and features his rap music. He total uploaded 913 videos on YouTube. Now he has 20.3 million subscribers. And his most viewed video title is Jake Paul, It's Everyday Bro, Song, Feat. Team 10, Official Music Video. This video has 284 million videos. This video has 3.2 million like, and 5.3 million dislike. After gaining acclaim on Vine and YouTube, Paul was hired onto the set of the Disney Channel series Bizaardvark, playing a character who accepted their requests that he would then perform. On July 22, 2017, during the middle of filming the second season of Bizaardvark, the Disney Channel announced that Paul would be leaving the series. The announcement followed a news report from KTLA about public complaints from Paul's neighbors regarding the noise generated by Paul's pranks, parties, fire hazards and the large crowds of Paul's fans congregating in their neighborhood. Paul later confirmed the news on his Twitter page, saying he would now focus more on his personal brand, his YouTube channel, his business ventures, and more adult acting roles. Paul later revealed in an interview with The Hollywood Reporter that he was actually fired from Bizaardvark by Disney, which wanted to expedite the process of weaning him off the show due to the KTLA segment. Music and Team 10. On January 17, 2017, which was Paul's 20th birthday, it was reported he had launched an entertainment collaborative, titled Team 10, with $1 million in financing to create influencer marketing management and creative agency around teen entertainment. Investors include Danho Capital, Horizons Alpha, Vayner Capital, Sound Ventures and A-Grade Investments, and Adams Airplane. Paul released the single titled It's Everyday Bro, featuring Team 10, alongside the music video, on May 30, 2017. It featured vocals from members of the team at the time, consisting of Nick Crompton, Chance Sutton, Ivan and Emilio Martinez, and Tessa Brooks. The video accumulated over 70 million views in 1 month, and became the third most disliked video on the website. The song debuted and peaked at number 91 on the Billboard Hot 100, and was certified platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA. Its title refers to how Paul at the time posted a video every single day. In 2017, Paul released and later deleted singles including Ohio Fried Chicken, Jerica, No Competition, That Ain't on the News, and Litmus. The singles were deleted for various reasons, including his 2018 breakup with Erica Costello. On November 22, 2017, Paul released a remix of It's Everyday Bro, featuring American rapper Gutsy Mane in place of Team 10, alongside the new music video for it. On April 27, 2018, Paul released the single Malibu with now former Team 10 member Chad Tepper, along with the music video. On May 11, he released another single, titled My Teachers, featuring now former Team 10 members Sonny Malaf and Anthony Trujillo, along with the music video. On May 24, he released 2 singles, Randy Savage and Cartier Vision. The former song features Team 10 and hip-hop duo Jit and Quan, featuring vocals from Team 10 members at the time, consisting of Anthony Trujillo, Sonny Malaf, Justin Roberts, Erica Costello, and Chad Tepper. It was released along with the music video. The latter song features Anthony and the duo as well. The music video was released later on September 12. On August 15, 2018, Paul released another single titled Champion, with a music video. The song was a diss track towards Paul's boxing opponent Djala Tunji, comedy shorts gamer, the younger brother of British YouTube star, internet personality, boxer, and rapper KSI, in which their fight happened 10 days later on August 25. Throughout the summer of 2018, Paul and Team 10 went on a tour within the United States, performing songs. Gradually, the Team 10 members all left one by one from the beginning of the year until the end. Boxing career. In July 2020, it was announced he would be venturing into the ring for a second professional bout, facing professional basketball player Nate Robinson as part of the undercard for the Mike Tyson vs. Roy Jones Jr. exhibition match. The event was initially scheduled for September 12 at the Dignity Health Sports Park in Carson, California. However, in August, Tyson revealed the event had been pushed back to November 28 to maximize revenue. Paul won the fight via KO at 124 in the second round. Content controversies. On January 3, 2018, Paul uploaded a video to his YouTube channel, titled I Lost My Virginity, which used a thumbnail of himself and his then-girlfriend Erica Costello posing semi-nude on top of each other. The video was age-restricted by YouTube as a result, and critics such as Keemster criticized the thumbnail as being inappropriate for his younger audience. The thumbnail was later changed with both Paul and Costello fully clothed and not touching each other. 2 days later, on January 5, TMZ revealed a video in which Paul used the racial epithet nigger multiple times while freestyle rapping. Relationship. In November 2016, Paul started dating fellow American YouTuber and internet personality Alyssa Violet. They broke up in February 2017. In April 2018, Paul started dating American model Erica Costello. The two broke up in November of that year. Paul then started dating fellow American YouTuber and internet personality Tala Mongeau in April 2019. The two jokingly said that they were engaged and married, although not legally, in July 2019. Paul and Mongeau broke up in January 2020. Starting in January, Paul started dating American model Julia Rose, but broke up 2 times later that year. If you like his video, please like and subscribe.